Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how to create the 150-year Mumbai YMCA logo. Now this logo number 2, we are going to work in a slightly stylized way. Okay, simple yet stylized. So what we do is that we take this font and we extrude it. We are going to come here in the shadow tool, there is extrude. Click on extrude. Nothing will be highlighted till you do something here. Okay, slightly just do something. So it starts. Okay, all this becomes live. Make this 1 point. Okay, and come here, and now we will extrude it to this minor angle. That's what I want. Okay, and here I want my color to be different. So come here, come into colors. From this to, let's say, let's choose a blue. Okay, 100, 100 and 0. Okay, from black I want it coming all the way to blue. Let's see what it's giving. See the slight blue over there, but I don't want it so sharp. So now we are going to work around our degree. So I want this part to be seen and also a little bit of the top. Okay, so it's giving this slight italic feel also. Yes. Okay, now if this is too steep, make this 2 point. Yeah, this is good. Fine. So this is my 150. Now if I want, I rotate it slightly. Okay, so I get it within my base. You see, all of them are on base with each other. You see the grid line. Okay, and now come here and break this apart. Okay, select the whole thing and break apart. What's happening? Okay, come here and break extrude apart. So you have to don't click on the font. Okay, click on the extrude part. Now I move this here. This is what I get, and that's what I want. Okay, I want my whole logo to be very, very, very subtle. Okay, so this is my 150 that I want here. Now come here, ungroup them. When you ungroup them now, you will get this white thing also in all of them. Delete this white thing, it's of no use to us. Okay, done. Now what we are going to do is again we stick to our colors. Let's zoom in and play only within this area. We stick to our colors. Okay, we have got all our lines, everything in place. Now you see now, all these are separate from each other, all of them. Okay, what we will do is that we are going to select this, weld it. Okay, because we want this together. Now again, just like how we did a previous logo, we will work with fountain fill in red and blue. Okay, so this one is giving it at this point and rotation of 163 degrees. So 163 minus whatever, never mind. So this, we just change these two colors, make it red. Okay, so cyan, we make it 0 and make this 100. So you get your red. Okay, and this black that is there is 100% black. We don't want 100% black. Let's make it 100, 100, and let's make this 50. Got it? Come here and say okay. So red, then joining blue, and then let's weld all these three and make all these 4, 5, whatever that are there, weld them. It becomes one color, and we work around this. So make this 100% black. Instead of that, we want this part lighter and the other part darker. Make this 0. This is going to be 100, 100 and 0, and this one we make it dark. So 0, 100, 100 and 80. Okay, so that's how it will keep coming from blue to red kind of thing. Okay, this is a very solid color. 100, we make it 100, 100, 80. Okay, so that's how we will work around this, and therefore all the other areas too. So let's say that, you know, if we have started from here, we'll reverse, we'll go in reverse. Okay, so this one we just select till whatever we want, weld them. Okay, remaining select till whatever you want, including this, and weld it. Let's not go for more than 3-4 shifts, or else we can have more. Let's have more on this. We can weld these together and then weld the bottom one. Okay, same we do with all of them. So this one single strip, very good. This we cut it into two, weld this part, and then weld the remaining. Okay, get it in two parts. This we use the same kind of thing here. So we weld the top two, leave this the way it is, and then weld the bottom. Okay, and this one we weld again. This, let's keep it one piece only, I think. Okay, great. And this, no, we will do something different. We will split it. We will not keep it one piece. We'll split it. We'll split it later. Okay, now I will, once I put colors in all these just the way I put it here, I shall see you back. Give me a moment. So my friends, as you can see, we are done, where we are keeping these top curves in the similar color. We're keeping all these slices in the similar color, and we are alternating red, blue and red. You know, the whole calculation is done that way. Now you can let this be just the way it is, or else if you, let's say that now this is a solid piece. Okay, we saw how we can weld things, but there is also a way to slice things. Okay, so what do? We come here, get into a 2-point line. Okay, and make sure snap to object is ticked. Okay, it should be snap to object. Come here, and at node point just leave this line. Yes, it's a little thick, don't worry about that. This can be done hairline, and now it's thin. Now increase the size of this. Okay, so this becomes a cutting object. Now once we are here, now once a cutting object is kind of done, this you keep one here, duplicate it and keep the second one here. Okay, done. Now you just trim, select this, say trim. Okay, so let's see what's been trimmed. This has become two pieces. Can you see? Now same way, come here and say trim. Once that's done, delete these lines. Okay, and we break this apart, so they all become separate. Once they all become separate, our funda is the same. Okay, we are going to now give it a color. So let this be blue only. Let this one be blue itself. Just make this 100% black blue. Okay, so 100. Now what is CMYK? Cyan is blue, M is pinkish red, Y is yellow, and K is black. So this we make it 60. This is the formula we have followed all around. This you don't need to change because this is already cyan and magenta, making it blue is at 100%. So this you don't need to change. This now we have to make it red. Okay, so it's like repetition of what I already did before. Make this 0 because magenta and yellow will give you red. You saw that? So you get a red. And here you have to put magenta, yellow 100 and this 60. Okay, and in the last one just make the black, the blue, sorry, just make the black the blue that you want. So this should be cyan, magenta, and this 60, and we are done. Okay, so this is complete, and as usual group them and write yours, everything in capital. Okay, enter anniversary. Okay, and we center align all of them and center align it with this also. Let's reduce the font size. So I think 20 is good. If need, push this up slightly and just make yours bold. Okay, yours, make it bold. Now what we do is work around this in a very smart and effective way. Okay, come here. What are our colors of YMCA? Red, blue and white. Okay, so there is no black in this YMCA logo. So again come here and we go into block shadow. go into block shadow, and this is upwards. So just create a block shadow that is going upwards slightly, very slight shadow. Okay, it's coming in black, don't worry about that. Okay, you can come here, say CMYK, and we make it blue. 100, 100, 0, 0. Okay, and make this white, make your font white. So this is also just like our font is in a slight shadow. Now we want to perfect this, so zoom in because it's not exactly the way we want it to be. Come here. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so my friends, we have reached till here, and now let's do one thing. Let's see. Okay, this is what it is. Let's work on this slightly differently. Let's take a 2-point line, come here, press Ctrl and click on this line here and leave it. Okay, so you get a perfectly straight line when you click Ctrl. Okay, now this thing we group our 150. Okay, and take this and center align it to the 150. Okay, now it's a little longer, shorten it. Okay, press Ctrl again, click and then drag it in. So this is coming within our boundary. Now what you do is copy, paste this line, put one on top here, and again we copy paste this line and reduce the size of this one. So let this one be here. Okay, again copy paste this and put this right aligned here. Now the middle line that is there, which is crossing yours, delete that. So you get this perfectly in the right position no matter what. Now select these, select this, and instead of 0.5 point, take a point that you want. Let's say I think this is good enough, 1.5 point, 1.5, and let it be blue. Okay, this is complete. Now let's see what we have created before. Okay, in our last class. So this is what it is. We take our stars and we take our ribbons, copy, paste, and let's put them in this artwork. Okay, so our ribbons come here. Fine, that's a broader artwork, and therefore things are coming more tight in that. Okay, this over here, this is a narrow artwork. You put one star here, or let's put one star down here. Okay, put our second star on top here, and copy paste this one star and put it down here, or let's put it here. Okay, now these ones that are a little out, take them in. Press Ctrl. So even if it's grouped, it's not a problem, it will work. Okay, so this is your second one. So if you don't want this, you want to keep it more simple, just like the logo, then you could do that. So obviously now what we do, we duplicate everything, copy layers and their contents, the page 1, page 2. Okay, delete this one from here, group this, okay. Here the th if you don't put in this one, because it's okay, because we are writing yours. Okay, right align it, base align it. Okay, so it directly comes in position, and delete the other one. So this is how our second one is also done. So my friends, I yet want you to be tuned in, because in our third week we are going to be learning how we could make another logo, where we will also be using this center part of this logo to enhance this logo further and take it to a very, very different level. So my friends, stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share. Thank you.